Are you looking to inspire your teen's creative side during your European vacation? These 5 hands-on fashion experiences are perfect for teens who love style, design, and one-of-a-kind souvenirs they can create themselves.
Showcase suggestions, where I share travel tips and lists of 5 to help make traveling with kids a little easier.
Hi, I'm Christina. I'm the owner of Showcase the World Travel, where we help families create meaningful travel experiences that inspire and educate. If you're traveling with a teen who loves fashion, these unique European experiences will spark their creativity and make your family trip truly unforgettable. The first experience I want to point out is silk painting in Milan. You can dive into the world of Italian luxury with silk painting workshops in Milan, the heart of global fashion. Teens here will learn traditional techniques from a skilled artisan and create their own silk scarf to bring home. A chic keepsake and a memory for a lifetime. One of my absolute favorites is upcycling with a Savile Row tailor in London. Your teen can work with a professional Savile Row tailor to turn an old garment into something completely new. This sustainable fashion workshop teaches valuable skills and adds a personal twist to their wardrobe while offering a behind-the-scenes look at the world of bespoke tailoring. You want even more creative inspiration for your family vacation? Download our 18 Summers Guide to discover age-perfect travel ideas for every stage of childhood. So there are 18 favorite destinations and they're organized by age. So those last six or seven are going to be really, really great destinations to keep your teens involved, put their cell phones down, and actually enjoy time with the family. Another great experience in Europe for that is designing a tartan in Scotland. Immerse your family in Scottish tradition with custom tartan design. Teens will love choosing colors and patterns to create their very own family tartan, learning about the cultural significance, and leaving with a stylish and meaningful memento. Another favorite is Murano glass beads in Venice. You can explore the art of Murano glass making by designing your own glass bead jewelry. Guided by expert artisans, they'll create unique bracelets or necklaces while learning about the centuries-old techniques that make Murano glass so special. And I know I said I think that the Savile Row one is my favorite, but this one is really exclusive and is something that we can create for your family. It's not an out-of-the-box experience. So the ones that we've done those for, and we're able to book those for with one of our incredible partners. This one is more customized, so we would get to know your child's preferences and we would pair them with a designer. So this one is stepping into the world of haute couture in Paris, where teens can collaborate with a designer to create a custom dress for a special occasion, like a quinceañera or a prom. Select fabrics, sketch designs. This personalized experience is a dream come true for aspiring fashionistas. These incredible fashion experiences will inspire your teens' creativity and leave them with memories and designs to cherish forever. They might actually enjoy their family vacation if you add one of these to it. To make your family's European adventure as smooth and magical as possible, download our 18 Summers Guide for the best family travel ideas and to let us help you plan an unforgettable trip. Thank you so much for joining. Hit the bell to like, subscribe. Please share this with any families that you know who has a teen who loves fashion and a family who loves to travel. We would love to help them plan their next trip. Thank you so much for joining, and don't forget to take a break from the busy.
Need help planning your next family vacation? Visit us at showcasetheworld.com to request a quote or schedule a free vacation consultation. Want more great travel tips? You'll find those there too.